Mom.
You will wait to say something when I done press record. What else you need?
Oh, you can edit it, can't you?
Yes, please.
Okay. This you can't see the stuff. This right there.
Zoom out.
Oh my God! Wow! Okay. I got so nervous. I got so nervous. We were recording. Grandma got a camera pushing my face, man. I'll pause this and be in the bathroom.
Girl, sit down. Jesus Christ.
Okay.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl. Okay. What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Des, and I'm back with another video. So today I have another special guest on my channel. Period. My favorite of all times. My big sister Courtney.
What does it do?
Period. So today's video, as you guys can see in front of us, we are trying the Nature's cereal. It's just we're gonna see how this goes. So y'all, we have, just in case these two items don't work out, we have coconut water in the can, but we have 2 real coconuts.
That's a baby coconut.
Baby coconut. And
I think that's what
she thinks. But yeah. So we're gonna try and open those and try and get the fresh, actual, real thing before we actually do these. If these fail, then you'll see these open. We have the ice or whatever. We have the good old blueberries per. The blackberries.
And you see them. Okay.
And the strawberries.
Well, I cut them up. That's why they look like that.
Oh, and
Walmart, y'all ain't right.
pomegranate seeds.
Had like 5 bad strawberries in those.
Yeah, so she went all over the world to try and find all of this stuff, but you know, well, pomegranates, mostly coconut water.
Yeah,
but yeah, then we got our cute little clear bowls or whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna start putting this stuff in a bowl. So yeah,
you wanna put ice in yours?
You got to. That's how you gonna make it cold, crazy.
I mean, some people didn't put ice in there.
Oh, but I want ice in mine. I want to do that whole thing, baby.
You like, you.
Alright, so I think I'm just going to start with my strawberries first. Or whatever.
Okay, I'm going to go with some, these. I love blackberries.
Yeah. You know, my blueberries next.
I'm going to go pomegranates.
I hope you're gonna get me constipated, baby, because I gotta take a test tomorrow.
Oh my God. It's supposed to help you out. I heard it. And give you a little energy boost.
Yeah.
And it cleanses you out. That's what I heard.
Well, baby.
You know, blueberries. Berries are pretty much
hopefully get this job done in the morning before I get on that boost.
Oh God.
Oh,
that looks good. I'm gonna taste some.
Pomegranates is really good though. Okay.
So y'all be chewing the seeds up. You know y'all chew the seeds up.
I chew them, but I don't.
You're supposed to use your own cup.
Girl, who finna waste this?
Okay. Some blueberries.
I'm really weird because I don't know if I need to swallow these pomegranate seeds or not.
I swallowed, man. I crushed it up. I was over the job on choking. Oh, good.
Okay. Alright, now you gotta try and open these. Which one you gonna do? The baby coconut feel colder.
Okay. Yeah.
We do not know how to open a coconut, so I don't. Yeah.
No. Hold it in your hand. Hold it in your hand and hit it. And just hit it and keep turning and hit it. Hold it in your hand, not right now. Do you have a hammer?
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Get a bowl. Get a bowl.
You're not gonna need a bowl.
Oh, listen, baby. Calm down. I'm really worried.
That man when he did it on his video.
You need to move your.
Okay, there we go. Got us.
Girl, do you know how to work a knife?
There we go.
You keep saying there we go. You ain't getting nowhere.
You said.
Okay, try to pull it now. I think you got it.
Okay, I got it now. Ooh, it's good. Yeah. Okay, give me some.
Make sure I see. Okay.
Should got paper towel.
All right, and then let me move the stuff out the way. Oh,
Okay,
so
so
the water in this one.
the coconut juice that comes out of here is a whole lot better with the water, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
It's a whole lot.
So we're gonna move the fruit out the way so y'all can actually see. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the ice up in here. I don't know how to feel about this. Oh, but it smells so good. Okay, I'm mixing mine around so it can get cold. Y'all. Put a whole lot more.
I did. I got mine. I'm just gonna start buying them. It's so good.
Okay, let me try.
It's so good. You like it? You like it?
I don't know how to.
It's like cereal milk to me.
It can't really do.
It gotta be like, you know. Okay, ready. Who love this?
Man. But no cap, it's pretty good.
No kidding.
But it's not bad at all though. Mom, come try it. It's not bad at all, y'all.
It's really good.
Now, we just got done eating. Ooh, cold.
I think it's definitely better with real coconut water. Like, authentic. I'm gonna still try these though.
Yeah.
We
We just got done eating barbecue, so I ain't gonna catch it. I ain't gonna eat this whole bowl.
I'm gonna be so nigga real.
But
I washed all this stuff. I cleaned all the fruit, washed all the fruit, all that. And I cleaned these off, so.
it's not bad at all, though.
Man, this ain't bad either. I think this is Yeah, this is the same thing as that. Because it tastes the same. I always had no sugar added, so yeah. Because it's only like 8 grams of sugar in this. Yeah, this is pretty much real. Mm-hmm.
I like that.
It's good, man. I guess because I don't drink drinks and stuff. So.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
Lizzo wasn't playing. It got like this little milky type of taste to it.
It like cereal. Yeah, I need to try it. I'm eating my cereal though.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Will I ever eat it again? Like, I have to be.
I definitely be like, oh,
Yeah.
I want some nature cereal.
This is future me coming in to tell you guys that she said that she wasn't gonna eat it like that. After this video, this summer gun ate maybe like 2 or 3 more bowls of nature cereal that week after we did that video. She loved it. Mom ate the rest of my bowl of nature cereal after the video was over with and wanted to add camera shot. But yeah, they both really enjoyed it. I haven't had some since. Like I said, it was good, but I wasn't a big fan of it. But yeah, I just wanted to come and let y'all know that.
Like, it just had to be out of the blue. But like, oh, I guess I'll maybe some of that.
I can't get over how much I had trying to find these pomegranates. This was a couple things. This time like $5. $5 for this little cup.
But it's not bad. Overall, on scale of 1
I ain't
to
put
10.
no strawberries in mine. Let me see.
Girl. That's what made mine busting. Strawberries and pomegranates. Yeah, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give it like I give it a 7.5.
I'm like a cool 8 for me. I definitely eat it again though.
Yeah. It's pretty cool though.
Yeah, it's good.
Mom,
Especially the blackberry.
come try it. Come try it.
I don't want it.
She's being stubborn.
But yeah. I still had it.
I think I can do without.
Strawberries. Pomegranates.
Call them seeds.
That's what give it a crunchy taste.
That's crazy. I'm tired. I can't eat the whole bowl.
They're probably
Ain't like it's no Captain Crunch or something,
they're probably looking at my face like, do she like it or not? It's the coconut water. Like,
I'm gonna drink the coconut water out of here.
when I eat it, like once I get it down, it's okay. But like, I'm not a fan of coconut water.
I'm from the islands.
But yeah. But like you said, it's pretty good. Y'all should try it. Like, especially if you want to just have some fruit and...
You know, you can cut this open and scrape the coconut out of them. Yeah.
But yeah. Overall, 7.5. Y'all should try it. It's really good.
8 in my book.
So y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. It wasn't much, just us trying it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Go follow her on Instagram at
__ Courtney J. COURTNEY J.
Snapchat.
Carry on.
Anyway, yeah, you guys, I'll just
Green 19. I ain't repeating. Y'all catch it. Y'all catch it. If not,
Girl,
Boom.
anyway, goodbye. All social media and yeah, will be down in the description box. So yeah, I love you guys very, very much, and see you guys on the next video.
And do y'all drink the milk out y'all cereal? Holla. This is so good.